Okay, how are you viewers? Today I am going to present question and answer program and introduction to management on chapter 8. The direction is as usual, choose the best answer. The first question is, what is the primary function of directing in management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Influencing people to achieve goals. D. Budgeting. The answer for this question is C. Influencing people to achieve goals. Question number 2. Which of the following is not an element of directing? A. Leading. B. Motivation. C. Communication. D. Directing. The answer for this question is D. Marketing. D. Marketing. Question number 3. What type of leadership style is always known as approach? What type of leadership style is also known as approach? A. Democratic. B. Autocratic. C. Situational. D. Bureaucratic. The answer for this question is B. Autocratic. Question number 4. What is the first step in communication process? D. Decoding. B. Encoding. C. Sending feedback. D. Choosing the medium. The answer for question number 4 is B. Encoding. Question number 5. What is the primary goal of motivation in an organization? A. To create stress. B. To increase absenteeism. C. To direct human behavior toward these goals. D. To decrease production. The answer for question number 5 is C. To direct human behavior toward this goal. Question number 6. How does bureaucratic leadership function? A. Through strict adherence to rules and procedures. B. By empowering subordinates to make decisions. C. Through emotional connection with employees. D. By inspiring workers to think creatively. The answer for this question is A. Through strict adherence to rules and procedures. Question number 7. What is the key characteristics of laissez-faire leadership? A. Strict control over subordinates. B. Encouraging employees' participation in decision making. C. Minimal involvement from the leader. D. Use of coercion and defeat to gain compliance. The answer for this question is C. Minimal involvement from the leader. Question number 8. Which motivation theory focuses on unsatisfied needs driving behavior? A. Herzberg's two-factor theory. B. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. C. Expectancy theory. D. Equity theory. The answer for this question is B. Maslow's hierarchies of needs. Question number 9. How does effective communication help an organization? A. Increase misunderstandings. B. Reduce coordination among employees. C. Helps managers perform their function efficiently. D. Eliminate the need for feedback. The answer for question number 9 is C. Helps managers perform their function efficiently. Question number 10. What is an example of non-financial motivation? A. Salary increase. B. Bonus. C. Price and recognition. D. Stock options. The answer for this question is C. Price and recognition. Question number 11. A manager who listens to employees' problems and provides advice is performing which leadership role? A. Educator. B. Judge. C. Counselor. D. Spokesperson. The answer for this question is C. Counselor. Counselor. Question number 12. If a company is experiencing high employee absenteeism, what type of motivation could help? A. Laissez-faire leadership. B. Autocratic leadership. C. Financial incentive. D. Ignoring the problem. The answer for this question is C. Financial incentives. Question number 13. A company that wanted to improve employees' engagement should focus on which leadership style? A. Autocratic. B. Bureaucratic. D. Democratic. C. Laissez-faire. The answer for this question is C. Democratic. C. Democratic. Question number 14. If an organization needs quick decision making in an emergency, which leadership style is most effective? A. Democratic. B. Laissez-faire. C. Autocratic. D. Participative. The answer for this question is C. Autocratic. C. Autocratic. Question number 15. A manager implements a suggestion box and rewards the best idea monthly. This is an example of A. Negative motivation. B. Bureaucratic leadership. C. Extrinsic motivation. D. Intrinsic motivation. The answer for this question is C. Extrinsic motivation. Question number 16. Another refuses to delegate authority because they fear losing control. Which leadership style is being used? A. Situational. B. Bureaucratic. C. Autocratic. D. Democratic. The answer for this question is C. Autocratic. Question number 17. In a communication process, which factor can lead to misunderstanding? A. Feedback. B. Encoding. C. Noise. D. Message clarity. The answer for this question is C. Noise. Question number 18. A company switches from an autocratic to a participative leadership style. What is a likely outcome? A. Decreased employee morale. B. Increased resistance to change. C. Improved employee involvement in decision making. D. Higher level of absenteeism. The answer for question number 18 is C. Improved employees' involvement in decision making. Question number 19. A manager needs to decide whether to motivate employees with financial incentives or increased responsibility. What should they consider first? A. Employee job titles. B. Employee individuals needs and motivation. C. Manager's personal preference. D. The company's marketing strategy. The answer for this question is B. Employs individual needs and motivations. Question number 20. Design a new leadership training program for managers. Which element should be included? A. Only theoretical knowledge about leadership. B. Only practical case study. C. A combination of theoretical, practical and interactive training. D. No formal training is needed. Managers learn on their job. The answer is C. A combination of theoretical, practical and interactive training. This is all about chapter 8. Thank you for attending this program.